Gen Z weirdos. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be a birthday get ready with me. As you're watching this, it is my birthday. It's my 30th birthday. What?
Why, God, why?
So I just thought it would be a lot of fun to sit down and chit chat about like life, how I feel about turning 30, which is, you know, lovely, right? I'm feeling lovely. I'm gonna do like a kind of creative look, and I'm gonna show you the process on how I do it, and I'm gonna talk to you along the way. So yeah, before we get into it though, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my get ready with me's, and I would also love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, except for this week, which is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, because my birthday is today. And yeah, I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram where you can see a lot of creative looks. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so my lids are already primed and I did my eyebrows too, and honestly I realized that I'm doing like this crazy the pixel art type thing that's like really trending right now. I don't know why it's trending, but it's cute. I'm gonna do like some sort of pixel rainbow things on my eyes and a cupcake, and I'm gonna hold the cupcake because I made myself some rainbow cupcakes the other day. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna be doing that. So the first part of this video, I'm just gonna do a little time lapse on how I do the rainbow, I think, because it's gonna be really complicated for me to sit there and talk while I'm doing it. I won't be able to do it. I won't be able to concentrate, and it's gonna take me way longer, but I will go ahead and talk when I do the rest of my face. I promise you. Oh, this was a lot harder to do than I thought it would be, but you know what? I'm gonna leave it at this. Alright, so I'm moving on to the face. I'm gonna use my Tatcha the Silk Canvas. Okay, so how do I feel about turning 30? I feel old.
I'm getting so old. Why are you doing this to us?
I feel like Gen Z scares me, and I hate that I'm not part of it, and I feel like I'm missing out on like being young again, and it really sucks. But at the same time, I'm like really excited to be in my 30s. People say that like their 30s are where they like find themselves and all that. Could be bullshit, but I'm gonna go in with foundation, dose of colors. I really thought that I would have my life together by the time I was 30, like actually know what I'm doing in life, and I really don't. It's really scary, to be honest, to be an adult and to be on my own. And well, not really on my own, I'm married, but you know what I mean? Like, I really thought I would have more of my life together by now. So if you are in the same boat, if you're a little bit younger or even older than me and you still don't know what life is about, don't just know you're not alone. All right, like it happens. It's scary to have to deal with life, right? As an adult. Like, I was looking through my memories on Facebook, and I saw like a couple of get-togethers with family, and I was like so young and carefree, and God, I miss that. Turning 30, it's crazy. Like, what? I also honestly thought we would have kids by now because we've been together for so long, and we have been married. I mean, we've been married for quite some time, and honestly, like, the thought of having kids right now freaks me out. First of all, financially, like, we're not ready to support another human. But I mean, like, just the fact that we have to like we wouldn't have our alone time. We wouldn't, like, life wouldn't be the same as we know it, if that makes any sense. I just really don't want to be like a really old parent. So like, hopefully we're in like the financial and mental and headspace to like have children soon-ish. I don't know, like, my mom was 39 when she had me, and like I love her and we're really close and everything, but I've always thought I would be like a younger mom, and I'm really glad honestly that I'm not, because I don't know what I would be doing in my life. Oh my god, I forgot I was supposed to do cream bronzer. Let me see, hopefully this doesn't mess everything up, but I'm gonna still do it. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Milk bronzer. I'm gonna take it only in the places where I didn't just powder everything. I can't believe I did that. But anyway, I just can't imagine kids in my life yet. I love my nieces and nephew, but like kids of my own, scary thought. But I do want kids soon. Once you hit that like milestone of 30, you're like thinking about all the things in your life that like you either could have done differently or that you want to do, and you're just like getting old. I want to travel. I can't wait till we travel again. We can travel again. Like honestly, this whole thing is a nightmare, man. Last year, exactly a year ago, we were heading to New York to watch Hamilton on Broadway. And that was before all this started happening. I can't believe it's about to be a year since we've been like in quarantine, since everything's been happening. I really thought my birthday, like my 30th, I could like actually go to Miami, like my hometown, visit my family, have a nice 30th birthday with my family and friends in Miami, and that's just like not gonna happen for a long time, and I'm just like really sad about that. It's a crazy time we're living in, to be honest. Kind of scary. I guess I have traveled more than a lot of people like I know. I should be grateful for having like the honeymoon I had, the childhood I had. My parents, we always traveled. We traveled throughout Florida. I went to New York as a kid. I went to Canada as a kid. I went to Italy in high school. I went to Italy on my honeymoon again. So I've been to Italy twice. And most people just haven't gone like anywhere. And even now, like especially now, I wonder if people are like, oh my gosh, regretting that they didn't travel much when they had the chance. Honestly, when things open back up, I'm taking advantage. I'm like dying to make so much money on the social media thing, by the way. Like it's gonna happen. Am manifesting that I'm going to be rich and famous one day, and hopefully that's soon, because like honestly, I don't want to be like super old rich and famous. I want to be remembered as young rich and famous, you know, that kind of thing. I always put too much of this stuff on. I know when I get rich and famous, I'm going to be traveling like crazy. I'm gonna be prepared to have kids. I'm gonna be prepared for all. Honestly, like I wish that I was where I want to be turning 30, or at least know what I want to do in my life. I mean, I know that I want to be a businesswoman now, an entrepreneur. I'm like so tired of working so hard and seeing very, very little payoff, and that's what's getting me. I guess I just thought by 30 that I would like have more of a like life plan, more of a life savings, just more money in my pocket. Okay, I'm gonna really try to stop depressing everyone, because this is really like a depressing topic. It's really hard getting old and seeing everyone that's younger than you, like everyone born in 2000 and on. Like, what are you doing? Gen Z, weirdos. They're weird. And then I get on TikTok and that makes me feel even older, because I just like don't, I mean, I understand it. I spend hours and hours and hours on the app. Like I know what I'm doing by now. Like I do, but it's like when all these trends happen, like how do trends happen? You know what I mean? Like what? It's just like really scary to continue to get older, but I shall continue with life. Like I don't really have another choice. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do a little rainbow situation, starting with red, orange. Yep, that's what I get for using the same brush, being lazy. Yellow, green, blue, and purple. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the cupcake on my face, and I'll be right back. Once again, this is so much harder than it looks, but I mean, I kind of did it. Hopefully it looks okay enough to pass as pixel art. Time for the lips. I'm going to take my Pat McGrath liner. I have to do my favorite lip combo, you know. And then over that, I'm going to take the Alamar gloss in the shade Dulce. By the way, I ordered the whole vault. They had like a whole sale on like all the glosses, and it's lost somewhere in Miami, in Florida. Of course, because USPS sucks. Literally have no idea where my package is. I ordered it like a month ago. This gloss formula is literally my favorite. I'm gonna go put on lashes off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was really a lot harder than I thought it would be, and like it doesn't look exactly the way I thought I had imagined in my head. I don't know. I guess if I had more time and if I cared enough, but I'm here eating icing that's supposed to go on my cupcake, but I don't know how to get it out of this tubey thingy, so I don't know. Let's just wait. Oh, it's coming out. Let me figure this out. Hold on. Yeah, I don't have the patience for this, so this is my beautiful rainbow cupcake with a single layer of frosting. So good. This was so much fun. Thank you for hanging out with me. There's frosting everywhere. I gotta clean this up. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So yeah, let's get into my eyes with my freaking hooded eyes. I'm sad.